Okay, so we're going to start this again. I'm in the settlement now, and what's cool is you don't, when you're in a safe area or a safe zone, you have an option now where you have to work for it. But you have an option now to where you can actually go in, when you go into any safe zone, it will automatically refill, well, we know that automatically refills life and all that stuff. But what's cool is you can select a thing where it says to auto refill your all of your rounds, all of your med packs, gear, whatever. It will refill it all for you, so you don't have to go to to the ammo box and reload your stuff. It'll automatically do it right when you're in there. I think that's really cool too.
Come on
but
over,
here's the
take a look.
vendors inside here. These are the different things that you can buy. Actually, I don't know if I need to
appreciate
buy
your
anything,
business.
so we'll see what. So here's the here's the menu. This is the menu that brings up. The principal function is still the same, just looks different. They just tweaked it. Looks a little bit different now. I'm gonna check to make sure I've got all my stuff on here real quick. So I need a backpack. So let's grab a backpack.
Good to see you,
So
Agent.
we'll grab this guy, and then I can buy it and equip it at the same time, which is nice.
Thanks, Agent.
So that way I don't
Thanks
have
for
to
the
go in and flip and do it from there. Looks like I got a cache I can open too. So I've got that already.
You need it.
Okay.
I've got it. Come check it out.
I've got that already. I'm level 7 right now. You can only go to level 8 for the test. Oh, there we go. And I will take those and an extra too. Ooh, cool. Sweet. So I can go in and equip all those to level 8 here. So I just bought that for nothing. That's so fun. What was the other one? I think it was... Sorry if I'm going fast. I'm just trying to look for the... Okay. Alright. So I'm going to switch... Because I was using the AUG. Let's see here. Okay, so we're gonna go back out. Let's go back out here. Actually, let's go on my map. We're gonna find where I died. We're gonna go there, and we're gonna take that point back over. Let's see, I gotta go up this way.
This one's for the
Let's
kids.
say it's over
We've got
here.
a video game hub up
Want
and
to check
running.
up on things?
Hopefully, this will help
So I
them
thought
feel
it
a
was
little more
over
normal in
there.
the days to come.
Yeah. So I'm trying to find that rope, wherever that rope was, so I can just get down super quick instead of having to go down this whole way here. That rope right there. Okay, so we're gonna go down. We're gonna go.
I'm right here. Hey, Agent. Nice to see you.
And with this checkpoint thing too, you can actually call in reinforcements, but it's not really reinforcements. It's just a couple of dudes with some guns. Yeah, like these guys right here. Just a couple of dudes with some guns. Nothing crazy. They don't really do anything. But you have to call them in with using a flare gun. You got to call them in, so that way they can take over the area and they can control the checkpoint again. So we're gonna go back in. We're gonna go over here this time. Okay, so I'm gonna change my drone back over to heal. Assign it. Okay. So now we can throw my turret out there. Let's have him do some work. I like this M416 a lot better. The M416 is a lot more stable. That AUG wasn't that stable.
Heavily armored hostile detected.
This one's a lot more stable. And you saw how it said E on there. If I wanted to, I could press E and have my turret switch to that person or that person there. I can actually manually work the turret, which is cool, which we weren't able to do before. Sorry, there's a whole bunch of stuff I'm trying to talk about all at the same time. Okay, so here's the dude with the armor again, where I was talking about with the armor.
All right, I'm ready to move. Go you.
So he had plate armor. He didn't actually have the big heavy armor like the other guys had.
No.
So now I took care of everybody here, so I'm gonna go out here, and right there on my HUD it says for the flare, so we're gonna throw the flare up.
Reinforcements incoming.
And they're coming from that way over there.
Incoming hostiles
So now what we gotta
detected.
do is we gotta defend it, because they're coming back in now. There. You got your baton dudes again.
Heavily armored hostile detected.
This is probably gonna be the dude with the armor. Hurry up! It's gonna be behind me, looks like. I don't know what those pill things are yet. I don't know what that means.
I got no shot.
See, once their armor's off, they go quick, just like everybody else does too, which is what I like.
Come on, let's do this! These animals need to be put down!
Help each other
So
out.
we neutralized
Control
it.
point secured. Well done.
There it is.
Done it!
Let's enjoy this.
So we
while
took it. It
can.
gives you, usually gives you polycarbonate. But what's cool
Supply room access unlocked.
is that the supply room unlocked. By doing that, and by doing a lot of other things too, it gives you a lot more supply. There's a lot more loot. Ton more stuff. And if you look in the bottom left corner, if you don't see it pop up like this, Covert SRS, I will take that. Then look in the bottom left, and it'll tell you what you picked up. I will take that also. Actually, we'll equip that. So it's cool. After every little thing that you get here, I'll take both of those two. That you can get, so it'll tell you that I picked up a titanium from that, and you can use the titanium, steel, other kind of things. You can go up to these guys, and you can actually donate anything that they, that they would need. And I've never actually finished it yet to know what that does, so I'm still working on that.
Thanks.
But that's
Shouldn't
with
have
the
to worry about our
checkpoints.
supplies anymore.
That's how the checkpoint works. So now that checkpoint is ours, and I'll go there later. But there's a bunch of different things that pop up too, that aren't like you thought you'd done it all, and all of a sudden, boom, here's something else, or here's something else, which is nice too. So just there's a whole bunch of different things to do.
Something you're gonna want to see.
If you want to see anything else, let me know. Probably next video I'll go into the dark zone. I haven't gone in the dark zone yet.
LT, this is
See what the dark zone's all about. Then there's some underground stuff. I haven't gone there yet. Just a bunch of stuff to do. Looks like they finally listened to us and complaining from the last time. that the end game was stupid. The story was great, but the end game was dumb. So they've been focusing a lot on. There's a lot of stuff to do for the end game side of things. So, and that's the video for this. If you guys want to let me know anything else you want to see or anything you want me to do, I can put it on a video or I can put it on the stream for you. And I'll talk to you guys on the flip side.